Alright, so welcome back to another video for MicroEconomics. Today we're going to go over Unit 6, Positive Externalities graph. We're going to explain what an externality is, the difference between positive and negative externalities, what the supply, demand, and the new demand curve mean, as well as the market equilibrium versus socially optimal. So first things first, we're going to define an externality. An externality is a benefit or cost that is paid by someone other than the producer or the consumer. Externalities can be enjoyed by literally anyone. This could be your neighbor, your child, your dog, anybody. So, now we're going to go over how to set up a positive externality graph. So, here you have your basic supply and demand curves, right here. So, on your first demand curve, it's going to be demand equals marginal private benefit, which is shown down here. Then, when you put in your positive externality, you're going to show what it does for the social benefit, or basically the benefit of yourself and everybody else. Now, this new demand curve is shown here. It includes the additional joy or entertainment value of whatever you're buying. Say if you make cookies, well, here you have the taste for yourself, but then the smell for everybody else drives the cookies up this much and makes it worth this much to everybody else. So next up, we're going to discuss how to find the deadweight loss and the socially optimal versus market equilibrium points. So here we have the first supply curve and the first demand curve. So where those intersect, you're going to dot down to find the quantity at equilibrium, as well as dot over to find the price at equilibrium. Then, when you include your new demand curve, or the marginal social benefit, you're going to dot down from there and dot over from there, and you'll find your price at socially optimal, as well as your quantity at socially optimal. So here is your socially optimal point. But when you produce here, this creates this amount of deadweight loss right here, because there are exchanges that should be taking place here because it costs less than the benefit, but that aren't taking place because you're still producing here.